here in Marrakech, Morocco.
That's what we love.
We absolutely love Marrakech, Morocco. And we are from the UK and traveling around Morocco. If you're new to our channel, make sure you check out some of our playlists because it's not the first time we've been here.
And it's not the last time.
Today we're going to take you around Marrakech, aren't we?
Yeah, and some delicious Marrakech de la cuisine.
Assalamu alaikum. So the options for accommodation here in Marrakech are huge. You can choose to stay at a big, quite fancy hotel. Well, they've got very fancy hotels. Most of them you'll find out of the centre. Some which have buses that bring you in, or you can get taxis. You can also stay right in the centre of the Medina, which is quite touristy. You can stay right in there if you want to be, you know, within a couple of minutes walk to the main square. Or you can do like ourselves and stay in the Medina just outside of the main area. So ours is around about a 20-minute walk, but it's a beautiful 20-minute walk. Look at this. So it's up to you. We prefer to stay slightly out because we find a lot more local life and we can walk into the touristy areas when we need to. But it's very, very beautiful. And this area is, although it's still touristy, it's still got a very local feel, hasn't it, Gogo?
It's got too much local life, local atmosphere in here.
Yeah, and of course that means local prices. So by staying slightly out and by choosing a riad, you're gonna be supporting a local family. You'll get the feel of being in a true Moroccan home. So our beautiful riad has only got 3 rooms and it's run by a lovely young Moroccan guy. Mohammed. So as I said, it's 20-minute walk to the main square, but there's so much going on. So it's literally just a couple of minutes walk to here. And there's so many of these streets with amazing things that you can come along and shop and buy. I love all the lampshades. Gokan's going in panic because I want to buy everything, but unfortunately we don't have space. And of course we travel on a budget.
Yeah,
but look at these. We've got these at home, and these are the Moroccan tea glasses that they serve the tea in. They're so pretty. Really, really pretty.
After just a short walk, we arrived in Jama El Efna, and we're gonna go have some amazing food. That is lamb cooked under the ground in a pot. It's called tangi, and they say it is the most delicious lamb you can ever get here in Marrakech.
But what's the atmosphere like? If you've never seen this square, everything is going on in both the day and also at night. But it's a wonderful atmosphere. There's music playing, there's stalls, there's lots of food
so
and
lively.
Lots of drink as well. It's so wonderful. We'll give you a little look just as we're walking through to find this place out. Thank you so much for your recommendations that we're gonna head to and have a look.
Abdullah. MashaAllah.
So Abdullah is showing us where this amazing lamb is actually cooked, but it's cooked underground in a stone pit. You can have a look. Wow! I have to be careful because it's so hot. You can't imagine the heat for the camera. Once the lamb comes out, it is seasoned and chopped up just here and served into portions by these amazing chefs.
The juice of the lamb drips in the pots as well.
Yes.
Come with me. Rooftop.
Okay.
Follow Abdullah, he knows the best.
Okay, that's perfect.
You're
welcome.
Thank
and
you
your
so
name
much.
is?
Jalal.
Jalal.
Mustafa.
Mustafa. Thank you.
And my name?
Jokan.
Gökhan.
Jokan.
Yeah, my name is
Nice to meet you,
Gökhan.
Jokan.
Thank you.
Muhammad, Mustafa, Jalal, Abdullah. Where is Abdullah? He's gone.
Upstairs, taking us upstairs. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. And they have all the pots which the different food is also served. So busy in here.
Chef Lamin, Haji Mustafa, here in Marrakech, Morocco, we have the lamb cooked under the ground, served with bread and cumin and salt mix. It's half kilo we have, it's only me eating, and this lamb is cooked under the ground, and there are pots under the lamb, and the juice is drips on the pots, and that's where they make the lamb is so delicious and juicy. So
Go for it.
always better to get some. Oh, look at that. I don't have to put any pressure. Look at that. Oh, this is gonna be really good. I'm gonna try this. Bismillah. It is so delicious, so tender, really soft. It just falls apart. It is so delicious. I never had lamb cooked this perfection in my life.
It's a different kind of
It's a
bread.
different kind of bread. It's like heavy, like it's full.
Dense.
Yeah, tense. Yeah. It wouldn't be meal without making a
Lamb sandwich.
lamb sandwich. This is finger licking good. Just an example. How soft. Cooked. Really the best. Melts in your mouth. All this meat, you get lots of meat with half kilo, but I'm dying for one thing. The bone marrow, which you don't get there. All this meat you have, bone marrow is the best test. Best part of an animal, the bone marrow. But this here, from the ribs. So tender.
Delicious.
10 out of 10.
It wasn't good.
I just told him it wasn't good and he said thank you and he smiled and it,
It was
wasn't
amazing.
good. It was amazing.
It was amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Definitely recommend this place. So come along and try your amazing food here.
Yeah. I know I just eaten, but wow, this smell is absolutely delicious. But before you buy it, you can try it. Try it? Inshallah. Look at these olives, all grown here.
That looks like it's got something on.
Yeah, like herbs on there as well.
What's that one got on?
It's got spices and garlic
Ooh,
and mint.
mint.
Yeah, fresh mint, like dried fresh mint dried, but fresh and dried. It's so delicious.
Try one of these. This one's really good too. Really, really good. Do you have a spicy one?
Now you're talking. It's a halisa.
This one's harissa. I'm gonna try this one. Spicy. That is so good with the harissa. Very, very good. I think I need to buy some.
Oh, you want some harissa?
No. Buy the ones you like too.
Yeah, because the thing is, harissa is not my cup of tea. What is this?
Chili?
Chili.
Chili.
Ooh. Now that's the real deal. That is the fake, like for the softies. This is for real spicy handlers.
So Gogo is feeling really sorry for me because obviously I didn't eat very much at all. So we are going to have a fresh fruit juice. Or should I say I am. Are you getting one too, Gogo?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they do amazing fresh fruits here. Really, really, really good fresh fruits.
Thank you. Over.
Hi, hello, hi. There's lots of different stands. They all have amazingly good prices as well.
Yeah, they all same price as well.
Same
They got
price.
a price list.
Lots and lots of fresh fruit. You can choose what flavour you want.
Can I say something? Last time we were here,
Yeah.
they didn't have pomegranate.
Oh.
Because you were talking about how good is the pomegranate juice in here, but they didn't have it. Wasn't the season.
Yeah.
I'm hoping they have it this time.
Yeah. So we don't know what month of the year they have pomegranates. So we can find out. They're doing some work here in the square. So there's a little bit of building work going on, but all perfectly acceptable to walk about. And here is our friend,
Assalamu alaikum.
where we can have some amazing
Alhamdulillah. How are you, brother? As promised. Since there's no pomegranate,
What are you gonna go for?
oh my life, I don't know.
Have strawberry, pineapple, dragon fruit, apple, mango, banana, peach, nectarine with orange.
For me, you can decide. I have one large, whichever, yes.
Okay.
What about for you? The same?
What's grenade? What's grenade?
It's pomegranate.
Pomegranate, and you don't have it. Can I have? I remember it very well. I had the strawberry and watermelon mix last time I was here.
Yeah.
So it has to be something different.
Yes.
Can I have prune?
Plum.
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 Okay.
Plum.
Yeah.
This with
With
Melon.
melon.
Not watermelon, but melon.
Melon.
Do you have yellow melon?
Plum with melon. Yeah.
like this.
Plum with kiwi.
With
Yeah, with
Yeah.
kiwi.
Yeah.
Yeah, kiwi.
with dragon fruit.
Yeah.
No, plum with
plum
kiwi.
with kiwi is good.
Good.
Yeah. Very good.
Mebat! These guys are watching the Turkish series. We call it Polat. They call it Murat. So this gentleman's name is Murat and Muhammad after our saying here. And Murat is asking me if I know this name. Of course I know this name because it's Turkish. My nephew called Murat as well.
Yeah.
I have a nephew. My brother's son is Murat.
Yeah.
Yeah, same name. Murat and Muhammad are very, very known names in Turkey as well.
Yeah. So I have gone for mixed fruit. It's nice and cold, and I've gone for large. It's a half a litre. So I'm definitely going to get filled up with this. Wow, that is amazing. And taste all the different fruits in there. The bananas, the strawberries, the kiwi, everything. It's so delicious. It's sweet, but it's tangy. It's just a perfect, perfect combination. Yummy. Where can you find a smoothie of this size, half a litre, for only 20 Moroccan dirham. That's not even €2. It's not even £2 for this fresh fruit. You can see the fresh fruit made in front of you. Incredible value, Morocco. Incredible value. So it's really, really warm here.
It is proper warm.
We hope that you've enjoyed going along and having this delicious, tasty lamb with us today. Make sure that you give us a like,
Subscribe.
and a comment. Let us know, have you been here to Marrakesh? Are you enjoying our travels this time around Morocco? Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you
very, very soon. And thank you so much for your recommendations as well. All your recommendations are so delicious. What else would you recommend us
to have. Yeah, so it's bye for now, and I'm still drinking my drink. It's so big. Ta-ta for now. We love you guys.
We love you guys. Bye for now.